How to create a Tumblr account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a new account. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. So we in this login page. Here you can find different options that are available. Now if you're creating a new account, it's better you use your Google account. So here I'm tapping on continue with Google. Now select the account with which you want to log in. So here I'm tapping on one. Now you can simply select your birth date. Here you must add different credentials too. So simply tap on them and add it. Here you can set up your credentials and even add your username. So at last tap on next and it's done. So a new account has been created and everything to your Google will be linked to. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.